Before introducing how to use it, please note that the melting process of the lava lamp is a bit long and you need to wait patiently. It will take more than an hour to start melting. When we receive the product, we will see that the lava lamp is composed of 4 parts: base, bulb, wax bottle, cover, First, we need to install the bulb into the lamp holder inside the base and tighten it. In the second step, we place the wax bottle on the base. Step 3, we put the lid on top. The fourth step is to plug the plug into the power strip and flip the switch to turn on the light bulb. When it looks like this, it means that the wax block is melting and it will take a while before it turns into a ball. If you continue to wait until that time, you will see the magical scene of the lava lamp with the wax blocks rising and falling. Thanks for watching and start lighting your lava lamp.